everyone. We're in the great outdoors today on a camping trip with Fiona and Dandy.
Gather round, everyone. Dandy's here with some campsite rules to make sure we all stay safe.
It's important to know how to have fun and be safe.
Rule number 1, always follow campfire safety. Rule number 2, respect nature. Always pick up your litter and leave no trace. Rules.
Thanks, Dandy. Let's all be sure to follow these rules. Does anyone smell...
Fire!
No!
Fear not! Dandy's here to deal with the danger!
Great work, Dandy! You saved Mr. Weasel's camp.
You mean ruined my camp? Let's go, Sly. They're cramping my camping style. We're stuck.
Oh, no! Mr. Weasel's stuck in the bog. We have to help him. Grab onto Fiona's hose. Oh, no! It won't reach. Fiona, can you drive any closer?
Uh-oh! Fiona's wheels are spinning in the slippery mud!
Aha! We'll extend the hose and wrap it around that tree for leverage and turn Fiona's reel into a winch. What tools do we need? Hacksaw, wrench.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
First, tie this rope onto the hose, and then we'll see how far it goes. Wrap the rope around this tree, the stronger our pulling power will be.
Oh!
Fiona's hose is now a big, strong winch to pull our friends free, inch by inch.
We're free. We're muddy.
Dandy's here to deal with the dirt!
I have soggy underpants.
Rule number 3, always bring an extra pair of dry underwear.
Goodbye, everyone.
I hate mud.
Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help. Lots of vehicles in need. Spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals. Our friends all have flat tyres. Oh dear, sounds like the vehicles are tired of waiting. Oh, nuts and bolts! I've never had to fit so many tyres this fast. Speaking of fast tyres, that sounds like... Grandma!
There's my little Gecky, with a very big job to do.
How did you know?
The dear little blue one let me know. It's okay to ask for help sometimes.
Thank you both.
Happy to help, just as you've always helped me and everyone else. Now then, kids, let's get organised.
Go, go, Grandma! Right, mechanicals, I have an idea.
You've been practising, Gecky.
I learned from the best.
Come again soon, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. I'd never tire of working with you.
And you never tire of your jokes either. Now, who's hungry?
You deserve a rest, Grandma.
But I brought your favourite. Grandma's apple pie.
Oh,
Hello, everyone. Today is Hero Day. Blue's hero is Captain Spanner.
Oh, even heroes need help sometimes. Oh,
We've been dressing Vicky as her hero, Fiona Fire Truck.
Why wait, Trevor? Faster is better. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. Who's your hero? I suppose it's me. Turbo Tractor? Oh, yes, Turbo Tractor. I can make that happen. Easy.
Awesome work, team. Fiona looks just like her hero, Vicky the ice cream truck.
only Trevor left to go, Gecky. Then it's time for the Hero Day party.
Spinning screwdrivers! Someone's tried to turbocharge Trevor.
Turbo Bodge, more like.
I can't work with that rust bucket. If you break, don't come back to me. Ah!
Well, I never, Trevor. Don't worry, dear. We'll undo that weasel's worthless work.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. Let's replace this turbocharger with something new and even larger. Weasel's work was incomplete. An intercooler will cool the heat.
A chrome exhaust for the X Factor. Makes Trevor look like Turbo Tractor.
The party's about to start. And I know who my hero is. You're the best mechanic ever, Grandma. And the best Grandma. You're my hero.
Thank you, Gecky. And you're mine. Because you make everyone feel like a hero.
Oh, thanks, Grandma. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for movie night here at the garage. How's it looking, Grandma?
The screen looks perfect, Gecky. Oh, hello there, Blue. I hope you're getting my good side.
Now we just need the truck family to bring the popcorn machine and we're ready. Huh?
Baby Truck! Oh, what's wrong, dear?
Mummy Truck's in danger. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Baby Truck, lead the way. Spinning screwdrivers! Mummy Truck could fall into the river. Whether friends or family in need, us geckos help with care and speed. All set, Grandma! It's not working.
If only her trailer were lighter.
That's it. We can lighten Mummy Truck's load if we pop that corn. To stop Mummy Truck from dropping, I need to make this corn start popping.
Hurry, Gecky! That popcorn needs to pop faster.
Then let's boost the power. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, I know. Get ready for a popcorn storm. Go, Mummy Truck.
Grandma's got you, dear.
The taste of sweet success.
What movie are we watching, Gecky? Attack of the Giant Forklift?
No, it's a special premiere. Blues film, A Brave Baby Truck's Rescue.
Ooh, I hear the cast is fabulous.
I don't feel so good. Oh dear, it's Carry the Bus's service today. Can you handle that, Mechanicals? Is everything okay? Huh? What was that noise? It's okay. I feel a bit better now. Huh? Looks like the Mechanicals have it all under control. Great job, everyone.
Hello, everyone. The Mechanicals are having a play date with Barry and Carrie. Oops! Are you both okay? Barry and Carrie have dented their bumpers.
That was quite some boo-boo.
Oh, don't worry, you two. We'll soon get you both mended.
But you can only fix one bus at a time, Gecko. Why don't I repair Barry's bumper? Remember, every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1.
Are you sure, Barry? Well, okay then. I'll get to work on Carrie. Good luck, Barry.
Luck? Oh, you want to make it a competition? Sure. Whoever does the best job is the winner. Ready? Go!
How do you like your new bumper, Carrie?
You call that a bumper? Check this out!
Wow! Well done, Mr. Weasel. Barry's bumper is actually really cool.
I'm the winner! I'm the best!
This bumper's been glued on.
Yes. But it looked good.
It did. Hey, let's fix Barry together and make a bumper for Carrie.
Really? I mean, sure. I suppose.
What tools do we need?
Huh?
Drill! Polish!
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
OK, Mr. Weasel. To fix the bumper on right, use a drill to fasten the bolts tight. It's most important to be safe when bumping, but you can also be safe when the party is pumping. That's right, Mr. Weasel. A quick buff to shine. Fixing together has worked out just fine.
How about a dancing competition then? I'm sure to win that.
You're wrong.
Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. It's a hot, sunny day, and we're off to the beach. Soggy screwdrivers. The bridge is shut, and Vicky can't deliver her ice cream.
I must have ice cream!
Don't worry, everyone. We'll help Vicky get to the beach. Come with us. There. I've made a couple of special tweaks to help Vicky get to the beach, but we may still need your rocket blue. Blue? Blue! Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help everyone in need of ice cream. Oh, we need some more speed. Now, Blue. That'll do, Blue. We don't want to overshoot the landing. Nuts and bolts. We did overshoot the landing. Don't worry, Vicky. A gecko always has a plan B. What a journey. Now, who wants an ice cream?
Out of the way, trash can. That's my ice cream. My ice cream!
See you next time, everyone. Bye!
What's that yummy smell?
That's right. A free kebab for every customer. This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Ow! Oh, what's wrong with this silly thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
Fiona Fire Truck, there's a fire!
We're saved! Oh!
Let's help fight that fire! Go, go, Mechanicals!
Oh! Save it! Hurry up! Hurry up!
hose won't reach. Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. Oh, I got you. Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye.
All done. With these improvements, you'll be unstoppable, Mechanicals. Oh no! Blue, come back! Blue! He's too high up for us to reach him. We need some help.
Bueno, this is Cat.
Cat! It's an emergency. We need your help to rescue Blue.
Got it, Gecko. It's rescue time, Helena.
Thanks for coming so quickly, Cat. This tracker says Blue's close.
Oh! Maybe closer than you thought.
He's running out of fuel. Now's our chance. Cat, lower me down to Blue.
Time to be un superhero.
Oh. Whoa! Don't worry, Blue. I'm right here. Oh, Blue! Time to test those improvements.
¡Qué padre! I didn't know geckos could fly.
Neither did I. Oh, hello everyone. We're repairing the Mechanicals' roof pipe. But, it's so hot today.
Hi, Gecko! We're here for Fiona Fire Truck service.
Sure thing, Dandy. But, aren't you hot in your firefighting coat?
Yes, a little bit. But I keep it on in case of emergencies.
Come on, Mechanicals. Let's get to work on Fiona. Spinning screwdrivers! The Mechanicals are overheating. How can we cool you down?
Stay calm! Daddy can help! Sorry, Mechanicals. Fiona needs to save water in case of a fire.
Dandy's right. We shouldn't waste water. But Yellow's given me an idea. We can build a water slide to help us cool down, using these extra pieces of pipe. We need to reuse the water so none is wasted. That's it, Green. We can recycle the water back into Fiona's tank.
Great idea, Gecko. Then the water can go round, around, around.
Exactly. Now, what tools do I need? Welding torch, screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We'll add new sections so the pipe is long, then weld it together to make it strong. This pump will pull water up through a hose, and then back into Fiona's tank it flows. Fix the pump to the tank and tighten the screws, and finally our water
Waterslide is ready to use. Great work, everyone. Time to cool down. This is great!
Steady time! Whoa! Don't worry, Daddy's got this. Hooray!
What a cool way to spend a hot day. Goodbye, everyone! Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for a carnival. The mechanicals are just finishing off their costumes. I love the jacket, Grandma.
Thanks, Gecky. Carnival is all about love. Now, where are my mini metal ones? I want to see their costumes.
A brilliant banana.
Oh, Blue, my heart.
No need to be shy, Green. You look amazing. Wait, where's Red?
Come on, you lot. Let's get this show on the road.
What's wrong, buddy? This is the design for your costume. It's amazing. It really is. It's okay to feel nervous, Red, but don't worry about what others think of you. Carnival is all about expressing yourself and being proud of who you are. And I'll always be proud of you.
Oh, yay! Hey, start your engines.
Come on, Red, you can do it. I'm so proud of you all. Let the carnival continue. Hello, everyone. The mechanicals are bouncing on our new trampoline. Oh, look! Max and Molly are here for a checkup. Come on, it's time to help our friends. You're up first, Molly. Come inside, Yellow. You can't keep bouncing on your own. It's not safe without a grown-up around to keep an eye on you. All done, Molly. Your turn, Max. Max? Where are you? That's not like him. And it's getting dark. We need to find Max, fast! Don't worry, Molly. We'll find your brother. He can't have gone far. Spread out, mechanicals! We need to find him before it gets too dark. Where could Max have gone? Tyre tracks on the trampoline? That means Max must have bounced right up to the roof! Don't worry, Max. We'll get you down safely. And I have an idea how. Tilly! Hello, friend. Can we use your tow rope, please? We need it to lower Max down off the roof. It's okay, Max. The rope will stop you falling, and your monster truck wheels will help you roll onto the ground. That's it, Max. Nice and steady. Well done, Max. You did it. Now we'll need to repair your damage. What
What tools do we need? Wrench! Screwdriver?
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
First unscrew these broken lights, then screw in new ones, shining bright. Let's take a look at your horn too. Oh dear, that won't do. We'll bolt in place a new horn here. We hear you loud and clear. Max and Molly's new lights are perfect for helping you watch the Mechs having fun on the trampoline. Oh, to make sure you're safe. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're just finishing Miles's fresh coat of paint. It's a special surprise for Grandma.
Oh, I don't like surprises, Gecky. Unless they're good, of course.
Okay. Open your eyes for a special surprise.
Holy handlebars! What a perfect paint job. Oh, Miles, it really suits you, darling. Let's go for a spin and show you off.
One at a time, Lex.
You should be the first to ride, Gecky. In you get.
Be good, Max. We won't be long.
Isn't it wonderful to be together on the open road again, Gecky?
It really is. Look out, Grandma!
Handles like a dream. Barely noticed you were there, Gecky. Gecky?
Spinning screwdrivers! I need to make this steady. Phew! It worked! But I don't have any spare brakes! Oh!
Whoa! Hang on, Gecky. Grandma's coming.
Just keep driving straight, Grandma. I have an idea. Take good care. Always carry a spare.
Just like I taught you.
Oh! Phew! That was too close. I'll need to make some adjustments.
I was thinking, maybe some rocket thrusters?
Oh, Grandma. Hello, everyone. I'm respraying Bobby the bus. And Grandma's playing cops and robbers with the mechanicals.
Hurrah! We caught the rubber red-handed. Oh, Bobby, you look ready to take me home in style. Bobby, what's wrong, dear?
Bobby's lost power. Let me check your battery, old friend. Spinning screwdrivers! Bobby's battery's missing. An electric bus can't move without a battery.
We'll find Bobby's battery. Detective Mix, look for clues. Ah! Our first clue.
These parts belong to Bobby.
But these prints don't. It seems we have a real robber on the loose.
Follow the trail.
Aren't my new lights spectacular? My sign will attract more customers than you'll ever get, Gecko.
How are you powering those lights, Mr. Weasel?
Oh.
Look, there's Bobby's battery.
Well, I only borrowed it to power my lovely lights.
But Bobby needs the battery to power his motor.
We're taking it back to him.
But my lovely lights! Oh, the silly wires won't reach the plug. Oh.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time.
Grandma's using Tilly's winch to lower the battery inch by inch. We'll make sure all the wires are connected and secure them with bolts that Blue collected. The battery provides an electricity feed that powers Bobby's wheels to move at speed.
At least Bobby's back to full power because I could use a sit down. Care to drop me home, please, dear?
Thanks for coming, Grandma.
Oh, help me! Gecko! Please!
Oh, come on, Mex. Let's help Mr. Weasel.
Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, hello, everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage.
Oh,
It's Bobby the bus.
he's stuck.
Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea. Hee! It worked! Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, mechanicals! Ow! Nope, that's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe.
green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, blue. Well done, green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's a lovely sunny day, so Red's heading up to the roof. He's going to finish fitting our new solar panels. They'll soak up the sun's energy and turn it into clean power for the whole garage. Hello, Bobby. Whoa! Look at you. You're all dirty, and we only cleaned you yesterday. Never mind. Splish, splash, splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. All clean and ready to hit the road, Bobby. Oh, you're dirty again. How did that happen? I think we're going to have to wash you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby. That's what's making you dirty. Your messy old petrol engine. How would you like a clean electric engine instead? Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun, giving Bobby clean power for him to run. Hooray! We'll see you back soon for more fun at Gecko's Garage.
Hello, everyone. It's very cold today, so we need to wrap up warm.
Oh, what is wrong with you, Sly? Why won't you start?
Sniffling screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel and Sly could use our help. Come on, mechanicals. It's important to look after our neighbours. Oh, Mr. Weasel, you and Sly need some help. Let the mechanicals take care of you, and I will look after Sly. Go, go, mechanicals.
What's going on? Oh, no! Put me down!
It's okay, Sly. We'll take you back to the garage for a little checkup.
Leave me alone, trash cans. Oh, well, if you insist. I think I need some grapes, too. Oh! I said grapes, not brakes. Oh!
First, I have to work out how to open your bonnet, Sly. Which one is the right button? Aha! Don't worry, Sly. I know exactly what the problem is. Your battery needs recharging, and your water tank is almost empty. What tools do I need? Jump leads, water hose.
Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this.
Sly's feeling thirsty and needs a quick drink. Time for a top-up of water, I think. Now connect the jump leads from Sly to Tilly, so Sly's battery can charge and he'll stop feeling chilly. Turn on Tilly's engine, that's all Sly needs, to share Tilly's power and zoom off at speed.
Ah, you're welcome, Sly.
Oh! Sly! You're fixed and all better!
Take me home, dear Sly.
No, not backwards! Forwards! Oh, fine. Thank you, Gecko.
Ah, you're both very welcome. Anytime. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're waiting for Grandma to arrive with some of her famous apple pie. Yum! Oh, that must be Grandma. Huh? Oh, hi, Bobby. We weren't expecting you today. Is everything okay? Wacky wipers! Let's take a look at you to find out what's wrong. Phew, that was close. Now what seems to be the problem? Huh, that's not right. Your controls are all mixed up. Let's try restarting your engine to see if that helps solve the problem. Spinning screwdrivers. This is going to be trickier than I thought, Bobby. But we'll solve it. Don't worry, everyone. It's just a little boo-boo. Ow! I'm so sorry, Bobby. I'll help you just as soon as I... Hello, Grandma.
Oh, my poor Gecky darling. Have you hurt yourself? Never mind. Grandma's here to help. All done, Gecky. Now you rest up.
Thanks, Grandma. But I still need to work out what's wrong with Bobby. Look! Something must have gone haywire up there. Oh, but I can't get onto his roof like this.
Then you'll have to talk me through the repair, Gecky.
Ah, yes, Grandma! You're the best!
I know. Now, what tools do we need? Screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
Don't worry, little ones. Grandma is always careful. Now, what's going on here? Looks like we need a little wiring wizardry to fix Bobby's battery. Which colour wire connects where, Gecky?
Blue on the rack! Oh, Grandma can't hear me. I've got it. Blue and red! I need your help!
Oh, yes! Clever lad! Blue on the right, red on the left.
You did it! Thanks, Grandma.
You're welcome, Gecky. Now, let's all have some apple pie to celebrate.
If a job looks too hard, don't be scared. A problem half is a problem shared. Just as a pie half is a pie shed too, please, Red. See you next time, everyone.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done. Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me. Mechanicals! Quick! Do something! Look out! Here comes a bridge! Whoa! Spinning screwdriver!
screwdrivers.
Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Oh. Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you? Bye!
Fiona Fire Truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, Mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye! Success, Mechanicals! Another happy customer.
Oh, no! It's a disaster! Oh,
What's wrong, Mr. Weasel?
it's Sly! My precious sports car has a dirty mark.
Sly's welcome to use our car wash.
My weasel wash is far superior. Come along now, Sylvester. Stop dawdling. You need to be here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. No, not me, you robotic wretch. Oh. Sly! Do something. Oh, no, you clumsy clown.
Sly needs our help, Blue. Quick, grab my toolkit. Blue, hand me my wrench. This weasel wash has gone wacky. Are you okay, Mr. Weasel?
Never better.
Glad to hear it. Oops, Mr. Spot.
Hello, everyone. Molly and Baby Truck are having a race.
And today we're pit crew mechanics, ready to help the racers.
Ugh, this race is boring, Sly, and Gecko's pit crew are the pits. Let's liven this race up a bit.
Baby Truck needs new tyres for her final laps. Get ready, mechanicals. Drive into the pit, Baby Truck.
Molly!
Come on, Blue. We need to be quick for Baby Truck. And it'll be Molly's turn on the next lap.
We'll help you beat Baby Truck. Your last lap will be a blast! You won't win the race with just plain old boring new tires. You need a roaring rocket! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Sneaky screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel must have tricked Molly into his own pit stop. But she needs new tyres, not a rocket!
Oh, that was my favorite window!
Well done, Baby Truck. Now let's get Molly inside. Wobbling wheel nuts. Molly's axle's broken. We'll need to weld it together and replace her tyres. Ready, Mex? What tools do we need? Welding torch, wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We'll mend this axle with a scalding scorch from the super high heat of this welding torch. Reattach the axle to the chassis tight. Now Molly's wheels can turn left and right. And finally, fit fresh tyres in place so Molly and Baby can finish their race. Final lap. Ready, racers? Go! It's a tie! What a fantastic race! Everyone wins when they have good friends. Goodbye, everyone.